Hey guys, Jill with Excel Wellness Studio here. I've got something new and exciting for you this summer and I want to invite you to join me. So we've never done this before, not quite like this, but we're going to do a vacation body challenge because let's face it, summer's really pretty much here. So here's what you're going to get. You guys know our challenges work. If you've never tried them, they're awesome. We're going to teach you how to eat, what to eat, the right things to eat. You're going to have a meal template to follow. We're gonna get you a week's worth of recipes, and then as a group, we're gonna find even more recipes to keep us accountable and on track to lose some weight and look great in our swimsuits. I'm also gonna be coaching you daily. You're gonna have daily access to me through our smartphone app, and I'm also gonna shoot you daily lessons. So you're gonna learn a lot about nutrition and working out along the way so you can make some real lasting change. I'm also going to add you into a private Facebook group just for everyone in the Vacation Body Challenge. You're going to get even more support there, tips and tricks. But the best part of all of this, if you comply to our program, do your check-ins, do your workouts, and give us a great review afterwards with all of your awesome results, we're going to give you a vacation voucher to Mexico or to anywhere in the US. I'll have the details for you on all of that later. Last, I want to tell you we have 4 options for this challenge because I know some of you are our faithful followers. So anyone that hasn't tried us out before, that really wants to come and experience what we're great at, which is our semi-private 30-minute sessions for women only. I have 7 spots available for that, spread out throughout the day. We also really excel in private personal training for the busy mom or dad that just can't fit it in. So we have an option to do that with the challenge. We also have a virtual option. Maybe you just can't make it in to work out with us, or you moved away or don't live near us anymore. And then third, for all our current clients, we also have a sign up option for you to do the challenge and to continue on with the workouts you're already in. So check out all the options. Deadline to apply is Wednesday, May 29th. It'll go through the options in detail in that application, and then that'll put you in touch with me. We'll dial it in, we'll figure out where your fit is and get you started. We'll start 3 days of prep on Friday, May 31st. You'll have the weekend to get ready, and then Monday, June 3rd through June 30th, we'll run you through a great program. Last but not least, if you already have a vacation plan in June, go ahead and apply. We can work around it. Hope you'll join me.